White chocolate bonbons are small and delicious treats, perfect for concluding a meal or as a fancy bite to serve at a dessert buffet. Here's how to prepare them. Ingredients: 200 grams of good quality white chocolate, 50 milliliters of fresh cream, 20 grams of butter, flavoring of choice, such as vanilla extract, orange liqueur, etc. Cocoa powder, finely chopped hazelnuts, pistachio crumbs, or other for the coating. Preparation: break the white chocolate into small pieces and place them in a heat-resistant bowl. In a saucepan, heat the cream until it's near boiling, then pour the hot cream over the white chocolate. Let it rest for a minute to allow the chocolate to melt, and then mix with a spatula until you get a smooth and uniform cream. Add room temperature butter and the chosen flavoring, like vanilla extract or a few drops of liqueur, and stir until the butter is completely melted and incorporated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and allow the ganache to cool at room temperature. Then place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours until it's solidified enough to form into balls. Once the ganache is ready, use a teaspoon or an ice cream scooper to scoop portions about 2 centimeters in diameter and quickly roll between the palms of your hands to form a spherical shape. Roll the bonbons in the chosen coating, cocoa, pistachio crumbs, hazelnuts, etc., until they are evenly covered. Arrange the bonbons on a plate or in paper cups and store in the refrigerator until ready to serve. You can play with different coatings and flavors to create various taste combinations. For example, the refinement of white chocolate pairs well with the acidity of a little grated lemon zest or the freshness of mint. Experiment according to your tastes. Curiosity: white chocolate does not contain the cocoa solids present in milk or dark chocolate, but it is primarily made of cocoa butter. Therefore, it does not have the same antioxidant profile as its darker cousins, but it stands out for its creaminess and sweetness.